Hey y'all, it is Chastity. I am doing another unboxing today. What's that? And it should be in the mailbox, and so I am going to go get it. So it actually came through UPS, and it's here. I actually, when I was going to the door, the man was walking up to my house, so I just got it, and I'm gonna spray this down with alcohol, because, you know. I know it's paper, but I'm still. Listen, if these people want to put my OCD to work, then it's gonna work. Set that there. Alright. So this is the Pacifica Kale Charcoal Foaming Facial Detox Bar. It says deeply cleanse plus kale and charcoal, blemish prone and oily skin types. That's what I got. It is from Pacifica Beauty. I love Pacifica. Y'all getting the wipe down too. Woo! How y'all been doing? Y'all washing your hands? Y'all washing your hands? I'm about to go wash my hands. Alright, everything's clean. Let's take a gander. Ooh, yeah. I knew it was gonna be a little. It smells good. It smells like, And I didn't wash my face because I knew I was gonna get this early in the day. It was almost 2:30, but I'm just touching it. Oh, I can see myself in the mirror. Hey, girl. It smells good. I was about to say it smells good. Y'all can't smell it, but it has a little design on it. Let's see what it says. Clean skin starts with clean pores. Oh, y'all look. It says you're so pretty. Oh, thank you. Clean skin starts with clean pores. Natural charcoal helps exfoliate and draw out impurities. Superfood kale helps detoxify as it cleans. I wonder if I eat raw kale, what would it do for my pores? So it says foaming, so I'm gonna go in the bathroom and see like what it does. I'm not gonna take it all with me because I don't feel like moving my phone, but I'll let y'all know or see if it actually foams. This is how it looks when it gets wet, y'all. It actually looks kind of purple. Or, well, I said purple and I thought it looked blue the whole time. It has a good smell. It's not really foamy, or kind of. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash my face with this. It feels really, it feels like a moisturizer. Like it feels creamy. Okay, so I washed my face. It's been a couple minutes. I was in the bathroom cleaning. I'm going to put my witch hazel on my face because I don't have any mix, so I'm just putting the straight witch hazel on it. But the soap, I mean, it feels good. I can't really give you much about it. It feels good. Yes, this is how I put my witch hazel on my face. That's what the girl does. I do it like this. So the soap is, like I said, it's very soft, it's very creamy. It smells like, what does it smell like? I don't know, I guess it smells like the oils. So it has palm oil, argan oil, coconut oil. Oh, is that mango? Is it mango seed or mangosteen? Garcinia mangostana seed butter, jojoba oil, sunflower oil. So really you could just smell all the oils. I need to put my coconut oil on my face. It smells, I like the smell of it. I don't know, it's like a familiar smell from a time before my life, but I like the smell, I like the way it feels. It's a small bar, it's 3.2 ounces, 3.25, and it was $3.86, I think, on on Amazon.com. It's gonna be a while before I actually upload this video, so what I'll probably do is use the soap for a week, because it's gonna be at least a week before I upload this. So I'll use it for a week and then come back and let y'all see what I look like after the 1 week, and we can do the review like that, because right now all you can do is just see that it cleaned my skin. So that's what I am going to do. What does it, y'all? Alright, so I am back as promised. Okay, your girl comes through. I'm going to be telling y'all what I think of the Pacifica soap. It's been a week, possibly 8 days, because it's Friday and I think I got it on Thursday. Well, it's on my glasses. As I stated earlier in the video, earlier in life last week, the soap is very moisturizing. Like, it's really creamy. It has a lot of oils in it, and I feel like I can feel those oils. When I rub it on my face, it's very like smooth and creamy, and it's a very pleasant feeling. I like the way the soap feels in my hands when I rub it in my hands. I like the way it feels when I rub it on my face. So the reason I bought the soap was because I saw an Amazon review and the girl was like, it removed the blackheads, and I was like, but what kind of skin she had? She said that it was made for, let's see what kind of skin it's made for. And it is made for blemish prone and oily skin type, and I do have oily skin, so good. But she talked about it removing the blackheads, and I was like, okay, because I mentioned that I do have the blackheads on my chin. I don't know if it's removed any blackheads yet, but what I can say about it is that it feels really good. It smells like, what is that soap that it smells like? I don't know, maybe it smells like, maybe it just smells like olive oil. That's probably what it smells like. It probably smells like olive oil soap. I feel like it's a particular soap I had that it smells like. But so yeah, and it does clean your skin. Well, not your skin, but it does clean my skin. It cleans really good. After I wash my face with this soap, I look at my face and I'm like, oh, my skin is so clean. So if it don't do nothing else, it's gonna give you a good clean. And I feel like it's for oily skin, but I feel like it's really moisturizing. So it's like they make it, it's so soft. It just feels good. I love soaps and like body washes that feel really good on the skin, and this is one of them. Oh yeah, so I don't know, hopefully it can like do something with these bumps. I have like little teeny tiny bumps right here and right here. For some reason it wants to be in my life, so we're gonna see what happens. So it's only, like I said, been a week, so maybe it'll probably take like another week for me to see if the blackheads will come out. I don't know, my skin do look kind of little, like it look a little better in certain areas, so it's probably doing what it's probably helping the situation. I believe it. And I'm not very hard to please when it comes to like soaps. I'm pretty like satisfied with things, but I do think it's good, and I think it's good for people who have oily and blemished skin or blemish prone skin. I wonder if I could wash my whole body with it, but I mean I'm not going to. But like I wonder like what would happen. So that's my review. I know it was kind of scrambled, but hopefully you understood what I said. Summary: it's soft, it's smooth, it's creamy, it smells good like olive oil, and it's a really good cleaner or a cleanser. It cleans well, and it's 3.25 ounces, and it's like $3 and something on Amazon. It's less than $4. It's close to 4, but it's less than 4. I'll leave the link for y'all if y'all want to go and check it out, and also look at some other Pacifica stuff, because Pacifica is like really good. Pacifica is like out here doing things in the world. Their products are like really clean. So yeah, if you want some clean products, you know, for your skin, and they have skin, hair, fragrance. They have like supplements. Oh yeah, like I was saying, they have supplements. I just have like all kind of good stuff. So like, go and check them out. I will leave. Let me wipe off this lint real quick. Okay. Am I recording? Okay. And so yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'll leave the link for that in the description. Follow me on social media. I have the. Oh, why do I say the word follow so weird? Follow me on social media. I leave the links for my Instagram and Twitter. Y'all on TikTok now. I don't really know how I feel about that, but I don't really know how much I'm gonna use it. It's mostly just to promote this. Well, that's what it's for. So I'll probably throw a couple videos up on there. So anyway, that's the review. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for coming back. Let me know what you think about anything. You can comment. Let me know if you see my gray hair. I'm not gonna like point them out, but I have a lot, so let me know if you see any of them. Yeah, thank y'all so much for coming back. I appreciate y'all. I'll have another video up in a few days. Hopefully, today's Friday. I'll put this up in the morning, and then I'll have the next one up like Tuesday. So anyway, thank y'all so much. I see y'all later. Bye bye.